So I'm just adding in one more video here to this assignment. So there's an extra video. It looks like you could see here I already have one video which I made using Microsoft Excel, but feel free to use Google Sheets to create this video. Here's a starting file to help. I'm just going to pause that. No, it's not playing good. Here's a starting file to help, so you could get that file and it'll have a list of some of the assignments, but the main thing you want to do is go through and look at all your assignments here and then also include the stuff from my IT lab and make sure you have each one of those listed in your spreadsheet when calculating your grade, and then keep track of your grade in every class, because if you know where you stand in each class, you're like a pilot who's watching the instrument panel. Right? And when a pilot's watching the instrument panel, the pilot knows what to do. Are they going too fast? Are they too slow? Are they inclined too much? Are they declined too much? Are they right altitude, right direction, right speed? Right? Like the instrument panel tells the pilot what to do. Such is knowing your grade in each of your classes as a student. Knowing your grade in each of your classes as a student, you know what to do. In classes where you're doing really well, you don't have to put in as much effort. In classes where you're not doing as well, you need to put in more effort and bring that up. So it's really important to keep track of your grade in every class that you take. It's a secret to being a great student, right? Is knowing exactly where you stand in each class. So one of the ways you could get these, names into your spreadsheet is right here. I just kind of click over to the left. Well, that didn't grab, but like right here, it's a little bit hard, but I'm just trying to, maybe if I click right there, there we go, that did it, right? But you want to try to get all this stuff into Excel. So you just got to figure out where you need to click to get it, but then you could highlight all this. So I'm highlighting that, dragging over it, and then once it's highlighted, I could Control C, and I could come back into a spreadsheet, and I'm just going to launch a new sheet here. And I could try edit paste to see how that comes in, or I could try edit paste special as values only. And then here you could see I have all of the assignments. And they're kind of in a wacky order. So I'm going to, I just accidentally sorted them. I didn't want that. So I'll just paste them in once more. I'm going to actually paste them in right here. Edit, paste special, values. And then I'm going to put numbers here. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'll highlight that and then, put them in order. And so I'm just going to go down till all this stuff ends. And there's a reason I'm doing this. And so you kind of learn these things about spreadsheets. You learn how to work with them. And now I'm going to sort everything. I'm going to go to data and I'm going to go to sort range. And I'm going to sort by column B and sort. And so now here I could get rid of that. I don't need that stuff. Delete. And I want all the weak stuff, right? But I don't need all this stuff. I'm going to delete all that. And go back to the top. And then I'm going to sort here, sort it all again by column A. So data, sort. And because here I got just the weak stuff, right? Because I sorted by that, got the weak stuff. But now I need it back in order. So since I'd ordered these, when I reorder them, 42 will be before 54. So as I sort by A, it puts them back in the right order. So sort range, sort by column A. And so now these are back in the right order. You can see that here by these numbers. So I'm going to delete this column. And now I have all of those assignments from Canvas, right? And so that's like the first thing for creating my gradebook is knowing each of the assignment names. So you could go ahead and repeat that process and get all these names as they are in the class currently. These might be slightly different. I'm recording this during one semester. Maybe you're watching this in a different semester and another assignment's been added in. And then do the same thing in my IT lab, bring all those into your gradebook, and then start entering your scores and do this for each of your classes. And then that's going to help you be super awesome because you'll be like a pilot flying your life. In your school life, you'll know exactly how well you're doing in each class and where you need to put more effort and where you could back off on the effort. Totally helps. My goal when I was a student was to always get like a 90% in each class. I wanted to do the minimum amount of work to get an A. Right? I didn't want an 89.7%, which is a B. I wanted a 90.1%. And then once I got that 90%, stop working in that class. Done. Right? Like, oh no, I already have an A in the class. I no longer have to do any work in it. I'm not going to the final. I got an A without going to the final. I know that. Why go to the final? So, those are the kinds of things you can figure out when you're keeping track of your grade. Super awesome.